If you want to learn how to make these cookies, please keep watching. The recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you're going to want to put some butter in a bowl and cream it a little bit. You're also going to want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. You're then going to want to add your granulated sugar and your brown sugar. Mix that in really well until it's combined. Now you're going to want to add an egg yolk and a little bit of vanilla and mix it together again. After mixing it all together, you're going to want to add your flour, your baking soda, your baking powder, and your salt. And then again, mix it all together. Lastly, for the fun part, you're going to want to add your white chocolate chips and your rainbow sprinkles. This is how your cookie dough should look after you have finished. You're then gonna want to make little balls using your dough and placing them on a sheet tray. Here I'm using half a tablespoon, but you can use whatever you want, and you can also make it as little or as big as you please. So now we're up to the last step. You're gonna want to put these in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they look brownish. These are the finished results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you really try out this recipe.